Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to remove and even replace backgrounds from any image, completely free and without Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to remove.bg. This free tool lets you erase and replace backgrounds automatically. Click on Upload Image and choose the photo you want to edit. Within seconds, the tool will automatically remove the background. Want to customize it? Click the Background button. You can replace the background with a solid images, or even with solid colors for passport size, picture, or documents. Once you're happy with the result, click Download to save your image. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you in the next one.